JBL has just dropped its loudest and longest-lasting speaker yet, the JBL BoomBox 4, and trust me, this one is built to shake the ground. The BoomBox 4 is designed for the outdoors, and it's 12% lighter than the previous BoomBox 3, making it easier to carry with its built-in handle. Inside, you're getting a 7-driver system, dual 5-inch woofers, dual tweeters, and 3 passive radiators. Together, they deliver a massive 210 watts RMS when plugged in, or 180 watts on battery power. And here's the fun part. JBL added an AI sound boost algorithm that analyzes your music in real time, giving you more dynamic and balanced audio. Plus, there's a 2-level bass boost button for when you want to feel that deep low and rumble. Connectivity has also been upgraded with Bluetooth 5.4 and ORCOS support, so you can pair it with multiple JBL speakers for a true party setup. It even supports simultaneous dual-device pairing and USB-C lossless audio playback. Perfect for high-res tracks straight from your laptop. Battery life? The BoomBox 4 packs a 99-watt monster battery that lasts 28 hours, and with Playtime Boost mode, you can stretch it to 34 hours. It even doubles as a 30-watt power bank, so your phone won't die during the party. And don't worry about the elements, it's fully IP68 dust and water resistant, making it the ultimate outdoor speaker. So what do you think? At around $557, the JBL BoomBox 4 promises insane power, booming bass, and all-day battery life. Is it worth the price, or would you stick with something smaller? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates. Peace out.